Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Canva, creating the design, and loading the images you want to merge. Once done, install or open the Image Blender app from the Apps menu and place both images on the canvas. You need layers arranged roughly where you want blends to appear. Make sure to position the top image over the bottom one and set basic size and alignment. The why here is simple. Proper placement and layering control how blending modes and masks will affect the final composition. You now control how the two images interact by selecting blend modes and masking areas you don't want blended. Start with a mode like Overlay to add contrast, then try Screen or Multiply to test light or dark effects. Once done, use the mask or erase brush to reveal or hide specific portions and tweak opacity to soften transitions. Make sure to zoom in and adjust alignment so key subjects match. This prevents ghosting and preserves natural edges when you finalize the blend. You finish by reviewing the merged image, making small corrections, and exporting at the right quality. Once done, export as a high-quality PNG or JPG depending on use, and check edges at full size. If you encounter visible seams or odd color shifts, make sure to refine mask feathering, slightly adjust opacity, or switch blend modes. These changes resolve most issues. If problems persist, undo recent steps, reset the blend, or re-upload a cleaner source image to eliminate artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.